Fire!
Jahseed Di Fireseed, representing.
Now this one is designed for 18 and over. Over, say 18 and over. Over, Hey, won't you go home to your mama. Your mama, go home to your papa. Your papa, you're too young to be my lover. To be for the lover. Whoa, you must be 18 and over. I've been checking you out, but you are too young, girl. And a girl like you will cause worries into my world. Cause if I pick you up, girl, it's pain and misery for me. Cause you're a girl that is so rude as can be. Like boy, go home to your mama, go home to your papa. Your papa, you're too young to be lover. My lover, not really lover. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Talking to your Sandra, talking to your Sherma, or even Marcia. Too young to be my lover. Whoa, hey, girl, won't you go home to your mama, go home to your papa, check me 2 years later, check me 2 years later, whoa, hey. Some of them are talk about you, are the champion bubbler, you're the champion bubbler, but you're young to be my lover, too young to be my lover, yeah. Too young to be my lover, whoa. So girl, won't you go home to your sister, go home to your brother, and go home to your auntie, go home to your uncle, I can't love you, whoa, I can't love you. Can't you see, you can't love me, you're too young, can't you see, and your mama won't agree, yeah. And your papi don't want to see you loving me, boy.